Okay, we're finding the values of the variables to show your work and explain your steps. Well, first of all, I'm going to identify what the value of x is. Okay, x right here. Notice this. This is an exterior angle. If we were to extend this, look at this triangle right here. Okay, angle x is the exterior angle to these two remote interior angles right here. Okay, and the triangle exterior angle theorem says that the measure of every exterior angle in a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two remote interior angles. So these are remote interior angles in relation to this, and so that add them together. 90 plus 31 is 121. So we've got x equaling 121. Okay, and now if that's the case, then w forms a linear pair with it, and w then would be 59 degrees. Because 59 plus 121 equals 180. Okay, and that's a vertical angle with y, so that's also 59 degrees. And of course, v is a vertical angle with that x angle, 121, so it's also 121. Now, the triangle angle sum theorem says that a triangle's angles sum to 180. So we need to say, okay, what is 59 degrees plus 68 degrees? That is 127 degrees. And so z is going to be 180. Take away whatever the two other angle measures are together. And we find that it is equals 53 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to make a list here of the angles, and we will say, let's see, measure of angle V, measure of angle W, measure of angle X, measure of angle Y, and the measure of angle Z. Okay, and the measure of angle V, 121, W, 59, X, 121, Y, 59, and Z, 53. Okay, and just want to verify my answers. Yep, great. All looks great. Yeah, that's how you do it.